The GE Filter Manifold WR02X45209 is a vital part for many GE refrigerators. It's like the heart of your water dispenser system. This manifold guides water through the filter, and it ensures clean, fresh water. Plus, it replaces several older models. These include WR17X11920 and WR17X20862. Also, it replaces WR17X20862. Therefore, it offers broad compatibility. Installing this GE filter manifold WR02X45209 can fix many water dispensing issues. It's a genuine GE part. Thus, quality is assured. Furthermore, you might need this manifold if your water dispenser is slow, or if it stops working. Perhaps your ice maker isn't getting water. This manifold could be the culprit. It ensures proper water flow. So, it brings your refrigerator back to life. Think of it as a fresh start. It is a necessary upgrade. This GE filter manifold WR02X45209 truly makes a difference. Moreover, the replacement process is often straightforward. Many users can do it themselves. Finally, consider this part an investment. It restores your refrigerator's function, and it provides clean drinking water. Indeed, it's a small part, yet it has a big impact. Therefore, don't hesitate to replace a faulty manifold. Your family will appreciate the fresh water. Moreover, it prevents larger problems, so it saves you money in the long run. Consequently, this replacement part is highly recommended. Pros: perfectly fit, highly recommended. OEM quality, super simple installation, saved a couple $100, solved our no water in dispenser issue, fixed my low water flow issue, simple to install, direct replacement, corrected water pressure problem, product fits correctly, functions as it should, exactly what my husband needed, fixed water flow issue, install was pretty easy. Features: OEM replacement part, replaces WR17X11920, replaces WR17X20862, replaces WR17X22066, ensures water filtration, connects water lines, original GE part, easy to install, durable construction, maintains water flow. This is a GE water filter part for your refrigerator. It's called a filter manifold. This part helps clean your water and lets it flow through your fridge. It's a real GE part, so it fits just right. You can easily put it in yourself. It's made strong so it will last. This manifold replaces older parts like WR17X11920, WR17X20862, and WR17X22066. This GE refrigerator filter manifold, WR02X45209, is a perfect fit and direct replacement for several older models. It's an OEM quality part that's super simple to install, even for someone with an 8th grade understanding. Many users highly recommend it because it fixed common problems like no water from the dispenser, low water flow, and incorrect water pressure, saving them money on repairs. It functions exactly as it should.